Hello everyone, Tom Voyage here and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be doing a pizza sauce. It's from this book, it's called The Elements of Pizza by Ken Forkish and I highly recommend you get it. Now all you're going to need for this recipe is 800 grams of Marzano tomatoes. We're going to need some sea salt, this one's called Maldon's. You're going to need a large bowl and a food mill. Now you can do this in a blender as well, but it works best in a food mill, but I'll show you both methods. Now I've only just got this food mill. I think I paid about £12 for it off Amazon, so it's only a cheap one, but hopefully we should get some good results from it. So we're going to empty about half the tomatoes into the food mill. And simple as that, you just mix. Now you need to make sure you've got the most coarse set in here on your food mill, because we still want a bit of consistency to this recipe. Then we add the rest of them. So once most of the tomato is through, you'll be left with a few chunks. Now you can remove any stalks or skin if you want to, but I'm going to scrape the rest of this stuff into the bowl. Scrape any off the underneath as well. And there you have it, we've got a lovely consistency now. Pizza sauce with a few chunks in there. So all there is left to do is add our 8 grams of salt. And give it a good mix. And there you have it, that's our classic pizza sauce. Now if you wanted to do this recipe in a food processor or a blender, here's how you do it. So you add your tomatoes, and then you add your salt at the same time. Now remember to put the lid on so you don't have to redecorate your kitchen. And what we're going to do is we're going to pulse it on the lowest setting just really briefly. Now you need to do it so briefly because if you do it too much, what's going to happen is it's going to get really frothy, it's going to go a light pink colour and it's not going to be very nice. We want the chunks in there, so literally just a couple of pulses. And that's enough. So as you can see there's a nice consistency and it's not too foamy. Okay, so that's our pizza sauce done. Now, obviously it's best when it's fresh, but if you want to keep this, it will keep in the fridge for up to about 1 week. Thanks again for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, leave me a comment in the comments section below and we'll see you in the next one for more pizza making videos. Peace out.